Hello guys, so we are back again with another question. This is question number 4, previous year question of GATE. If you have not subscribed it, please do subscribe and share with your friend for more upcoming interesting video. This is the series of signal and system previous year GATE question. If you have not watched my previous video, please watch because it is a similar type of question which we are doing in this video. Then it is compulsory to you. Please watch question number 3 for more clear understanding for question number 4. Let's get started. What is given in the question? In this question, we have to find the RMS value of half wave rectifier. This question asked in 1999 by IIT Bombay. In this series, we are going to solve from 1992 to 2000. Let's get started. First of all, I am going to revise what is RMS value. RMS value is nothing but under root of average power. This formula is discussed in my previous video, which is question number 3. So if you have to find RMS value, first of all solve average power, then take square root. Understood? And let me revise what is average power. What is average power? Average power is nothing but 1 by T naught, where T naught is fundamental time period. We have to integrate over one fundamental time period. Understood? Xt square dt. This is the formula. This formula we are going to use. This is average power. These two formula is very important. In this question, we are going to use this formula to solve this question. Understood? All of you. Let me first revise the concept of half wave rectifier. In this question, we have given half rectifier is square wave. Understood? Half wave rectifier, if we provide this signal, if you provide sinusoidal signal, this is a sinusoidal signal. Understood? If you provide input to the any understood, if you provide input signal to half wave rectifier, what will half wave rectifier will do? Focus on this. Half wave rectifier will convert. Half wave rectifier अलाउ वन हाफ साइकिल, जो ये हाफ साइकिल दिख रहा है ना, उसको अलाउ करेगा. पॉजिटिव हाफ साइकिल को क्या करेगा? हाफ वेव रेक्टिफायर अलाउ करेगा. अभी जो ये नेगेटिव हाफ साइकिल बचा, इसको हम लोग नेगेटिव हाफ साइकिल बोलते हैं. इसको क्या करेगा? इसको अलाउ नहीं करेगा, इसको ब्लॉक कर देगा. तो इसकी वैल्यू क्या हो गई? 0. अंडरस्टूड? ये फंक्शन होता है हाफ वेव रेक्टिफायर. फिर नेक्स्ट जो पॉजिटिव हाफ साइकिल है उसको फिर अलाउ करेगा. ठीक है, यहाँ तक सबको क्लियर हो? फिर यहाँ पे जो नेगेटिव हाफ साइकिल बनेगा, कौन सा, इसकी बात कर रहा हूँ, फिर उसको क्या करेगा? हाफ वेव रेक्टिफायर ब्लॉक कर देगा. यहाँ तक सबको क्लियर हुआ क्या? ये फंक्शन होता है हाफ वेव रेक्टिफायर. दिस इज ए साइनोसॉइडल. वी हैव कंसिडर दिस साइनोसॉइडल सिग्नल. अंडरस्टूड? In the given question, what we have given? In this question, we have given square wave of maximum amplitude 2 ampere. Understood? We have given square wave. Understood? This is a square wave. This is a input signal we are providing to the half wave rectifier. Understood? What will half wave rectifier will do? Half wave rectifier will allow positive half cycle. This is a positive half cycle and this is a negative half cycle. Function of half wave rectifier is nothing but it will allow positive half cycle. Understood? And it will block negative half cycle, will be cancel out. Understood? Let me draw with another pen for more clear understanding. What will we do? In this cycle, negative cycle will be absorbed and next cycle, this is positive half cycle, it will allow. Understood? And what will do in this cycle, this is a negative cycle, it will absorb. This is the function of half wave rectifier. Let me draw this. Understood what is given in the question? Let me first draw this. This is my time scale, this is my xt. Understood? Half wave rectifier the RMS value in this question, focus on the given question. The RMS value you have to find of half rectified square wave. We have given a square wave. This is a square wave. Understood? This will go on up to infinite. I have considered for one cycle. Understood? The maximum value, it means maximum amplitude will be 2a. It is given in the question. This is, and start from 0, it will be t by 2 and t. This is a one cycle. Which is one cycle? Let me highlight. From here to here, it will be one cycle. After this it will repeat. So we have to, for average power formula, we have to consider one cycle. Here fundamental of one cycle will be fundamental time period, where T naught is known as fundamental. I am talking about this T naught, where T naught is fundamental time period. In this case, this is the fundamental time period. This is fundamental time period. T naught is nothing but capital T. Understood all of you? This is clear to all. So now we are going to use average power formula. Average power is nothing but, we have to integrate from one fundamental time period. It will be 1 by t. Integration from 0 to t by 2, 0 to t by 2 xt. Here xt will be 2a. From 0 to t by 2 xt will be 2a. We have to square it dt. If you are confused how I am writing this equation, please refer my previous video, which is question number 3, which is similar type of this question. 4. If you watch my previous video, it will be more clear to all. Here all of you have understood. From next cycle it will be t by 2 to capital T. Here it will be xt value will be 0. Understood? Because here xt value is this. So now we are writing it will be 0 squared dt. Now we are closing the bracket. Let me further simplify. I am going to further simplify. Average power will be nothing but, here average power nothing but, it will be 1 by t. 2a square will be 4a square. 4a square, it will be cancelled out. Which part? This part will be 0. Why? Because we have multiplied with 0. Here lower limit will be 0 and upper limit will be t by 2 dt. Now we have to focus on this integration only. It will be 1 by t. 4a square be constant. I am going to take it out of the integration. Integration of dt will be small t. Now we have to put the lower limit will be 0 and upper limit will be t by 2. It will be 4a square by capital T. Now we have to put upper limit t by 2 and lower limit 0. Understood? It will be 4a square t divided by 2t. All of you have understood? It will be 2a square. I am getting average power. We are getting average power equals to 2a square. Understood? We are getting average power value equals to 2a square. But in this question we have to find RMS value. In this question we have to find RMS value. It will nothing but square root of average power. Now we have to put the value of average power, which is equals to 2a square. A square will be cancelled out from the root. It will be root 2a. We are getting RMS value. We are getting RMS value equals to root 2a. Now I am going to highlight. This is my, now this is my answer. Understood all of you? Let me check which option is matching with. We have given 4 options. We are getting option A. Option is the correct answer, which is equals to root 2a. So our answer will be option A. This is very easy question which are asked by IIT Bombay. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I will end this lecture here. Please do share with your friend and do subscribe. In this series, I am going to cover all questions which are asked in GATE paper from 1992 to 2000. Please do share and subscribe. Thank you.